Hi guys. Okay, sorry I'm late. I'm always late and excuse me. So today we're gonna do a volcano video. So here is the volcano and we will only be using two things to make the volcano.
We'll tell you in the end what those two things are, but let's do the experiment now. So we have these two things and here's our volcano. Let's make it erupt. Okay, so first we need to put this thing in it.
Whoa.
Okay, we have to put first this thing which is on her hands first. A little bit.
Isn't that much?
Yeah, if it
What
needs
should I
more,
put?
we'll put a little more. Okay, now let's put a little bit of this thing, and it's starting to erupt. Can you see it?
Okay, more. Okay, we'll be needing more.
It's erupting.
Whoa, just look at that.
It looks like a real volcano,
I'll add a little bit more of vinegar.
and it's all yellow if you see it from the top. Okay, it's erupting again. So many bubbles. It's so much like a real volcano.
Whoa, plop.
And final plop. This was the last batch. Now it's erupting for the final time. Well, it won't exactly erupt this time. There's not enough vinegar left, but it erupted 2 times. That's enough. That is the volcano. Now let's go to our science lab.
In the science lab, and let's see how it happened. We'll see you there. So now we are in our science lab, and we're gonna be telling you how you are gonna make it.
So here is a container in which we can make it.
Okay, and you have
Vinegar and baking soda. That's all you need. Oh, and we colored the vinegar yellow. That's why the volcano is kind of yellow.
Yeah. Okay, so you just pour. Okay, I'll be needing the beaker. Okay,
That's
so you just.
That's not a beaker.
You only said it was a beaker. So
I
you have to
like this.
pour a little bit. This much.
Yeah, that much will be enough. You need to pour a little bit of vinegar, but the vinegar should be at least half the height of the cup.
Okay, so it can be 25 till 25, so that it erupts. Otherwise, if it's too low, then it won't be able to.
Yeah, then the baking soda will rise, but if the vinegar is too less, then it won't be able to fall out. So you need to make sure that it is a bit high so that the vinegar and the baking soda
Okay,
can
so
fall.
we can pour it in this. Oops, we are experimenting with these. Okay, so we're gonna pour a little bit in this.
Oh, but don't pour too much. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's put a little bit of it in this and
Whoa.
some. Okay.
Then it will start erupting. Whoa, not yet. Like this, okay?
And then it goes down. We have a little more baking soda if you want to do it again.
Rise up.
Okay, that's not enough baking soda, it looks like. Come out, baking soda. I have a lot of you waiting to be used. Here, it's rising.
I'll just pour. Okay.
Okay, you need a little bit of vinegar to make it come up a little high so that it can erupt.
Okay, too much, not too much. I like
The
that.
vinegar will rise it and the baking soda will erupt it. Well, the baking soda will also rise it, but if there won't be vinegar, then the baking soda will only come till here and then fall down.
Okay, so this is a chemical reaction from those two using these two stuff. You can take like any type of baking soda and any type of vinegar.
We have white clear vinegar, and we have professional baking soda.
So you can take any if you like, but we have used those. Okay, so be sure to try it at your house.
If you do it with white vinegar, it will erupt better because white vinegar is a bit more stronger.
Like and subscribe. Bye guys.